Al couldn't make it this time. He's had to go home because he's working tomorrow morning, as am I, but I've, for some stupid reason, decided to come to another mine tonight. And we are going to be working our way over to that level over there. So it means putting in a traverse line where the floor has collapsed. We're in an old lead mine, abandoned in the 1860s. And as you can see, the level carries on over there. We're only about 150 foot in from the entrance behind me. Haven't come far, so we're going to now get the drill and the bolting equipment out and start building a traverse line to get over there. And we'll come back with Al then to explore it at some point next week.
Looks like I put a good bolt.
Good.
Wow.
The bolt getting tight already?
First one.
Nice. Yeah, it looks like the rock's better over there, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's the rock, yeah.
Yeah.
We can't call this shit a rock.
So we normally use 10mm drill bits, drill bolts even, but we're using 8s in the middle. Put a nice, good, solid 10 at the beginning, and in the middle is 2 in the middle, and then we're taking up the slack with these 8mm bolts. So Tom's going to pull this last one over to him now, and then hopefully after this it'll just be the one good 10 at the end, and then we'll be in the level. And then you folks are going to have to wait till next week to find out what we find. Hey, you're in the level. Wow. How about that then? So now that Tom's actually made it, how's it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bolts away. He's going to put one good 10mm one firmly in the level to finish off the traverse line, and then, well, and then that's it. We made it.
Are you excited?
I am.
Well,
Dash cam footage.
Oh man, wait till you see what we found.
We're going to a, well, yeah, you guessed it, a mine.
Yes.
But it's not just a mine. It's the one where, last week, me and Tom bolted a traverse line across a big hole in the floor. And now I've got Al with me, and we're going to go back and check out where it goes.
Very excited about this one.
Never been there before.
Also, we're going to announce the winner of the bag in this video, so
Bit of off-road.
check that out. Yeah.
Absolutely, yeah. It's plenty to look forward to today.
Yes, yes. Let's crack on. It's a bumpy road.
Yeah. Good thing your car's high off, got a high suspension.
Yes, yes, absolutely. There's not many mines in this area.
Yeah, we've probably in this area around here, we've got about 2 mines per square mile-ish.
Wow, that's amazing.
They're all lead mines with a small amount of zinc and copper as well. So, but the one we're going to today was chiefly a lead mine. And it was a very productive one too, so I'm hoping we find lots of workings on the other side of that traverse.
I can't wait, I'm excited. Get the old gear on.
So what are we using? We've got all of our SRT stuff, and we've got cow's tails for the traverse line.
Shout out to Petzl.
Absolutely, there we go.
Yeah, Petzl and Petzl. Petzl crawl. So there's my Petzl crawl. Petzl hand ascender. Petzl stop.
Petzl stop, yeah, I've got my one of those as well.
Petzl helmet.
Petzl helmet.
So we got some other Petzl gear to review soon. They've sent us some helmets and bits and bobs. So we'll be reviewing that soon.
Brilliant.
So I'm going to get this on now. So we're covered in fake tan.
It's going to be even more covered in fake tan when we come out of this mine.
I didn't wash it after the last use.
Yeah, we're going to be, it's going to be like wading through tomato soup today, I fear.
So we've sent this head torch from Phoenix just over 2 months ago, and they told us to use it and then review it. So time for a review on it. This thing has been through the wars inside the mines, and you can see it's all in very good condition. It takes it's got a Phoenix 5000 milliamp hour battery, It lasts ages. I've never not timed it, but I think you'll get about easily 2 hours solid use of full power on this. It goes from 50 lumens to 1600 lumens. There's 6 different brightness settings, 3 on here, 3 on here, and then you got your red light and LED light. It's a brilliant bit of kit, very robust, as you can see. It's been underground, hitting my head on the ceiling and all that, and it's still in good nick. You know, it takes a USB-C charger there. Brilliant bit of kit. That highly recommend it on Amazon, $119.95 I think they are, or contact Fenix and same price there. It's the HP 25R is the model, version 2.0. Check it out, brilliant bit of kit, well worth the money. He disappeared up here somewhere. Where is he? There he is. Hey, you found something?
I think so, it's up there.
Let's go exploring.
Climb up to find out.
Let's go exploring, eh? The blueberries or wimberries, and you call them, Johan?
Llysiau Dion Bach in Welsh.
Yeah, they're bloody tasty, these are. It take you a long time to pick a bowl full of them, but it's a hell of a climb. I'm glad we've got some food on the way up.
It's
there you go.
kind of all this brush, isn't it? It's pretty hard to scramble.
Yes.
These are really tasty, they're ripe as well.
Well, I'm munching my way up here, I am.
Yeah.
Oh, they're perfect. Absolutely perfect. Anyway, let's go exploring. Johan,
Yeah.
are we going down there?
You'd think we were, but actually we're going into a secret entrance, which is over there.
Let's go. I don't fall down that hole there.
No, yeah, don't go sliding down there, because I ain't coming after you.
I think I'll be alive. There's no point.
So this is our way in.
Here we go.
Nice cross spider here. So named because of the cross pattern on the back of the abdomen.
Eyes on him.
There he is.
There he is. Cool.
Try not to disturb him too much.
No. Let's get in. What's this fence? What's it like?
So when we set the traverse up, see these, when we when Tom and I set that the traverse up last week, we only had wellies on, so we tried to lay these. We built a sort of boardwalk in the water, but we still got wet feet.
Out of these trees.
Yeah, we just tossed them in and tried to build some sort of pontoon.
Where have you gone?
There's a fun fact up here if you want it.
Go on then.
Have a look at the floor. So we're coming into the mine, but the water is flowing in,
Yes.
not out. But the whole point of adits is that the water drains out. So now look up here, and there's a shot hole going out. So this level, driven in 1856, actually came in and joined with another one coming from the inside. They found a different vein when they were working further in the mine from a lower level and drove outwards on it and drove another level in from the outside of the hill, and they met in the middle. So that's why all of a sudden it changes and we're now going downhill into the mine because this was actually driven from inside out. So hence the water flow and the direction of the shot holes.
Well, that's interesting. Now, does that mean we're going to get wet abseiling?
Yeah.
What is this? That's a piece of iron.
Oh yeah. Is it the end of a borer or a chisel or something?
End of the chisel. It looks
Yeah.
snapped off.
It's just been chucked on the side.
I love the colours in this level.
Yeah.
They're amazing. Oh, it's a bit of a short one there. Nothing there.
Nice bit of scope above you.
Oh yes, look at that. That's very good.
So yeah, there's a high amount of marcasite and iron pyrite in this mine, hence the colour, the orange colours. And here's the great traverse up here, just coming up to it now.
Yeah, it's the fun part. Just scanning
So
the wall.
basically the load got so rich, they just stripped the floor of the level out. Therefore they just left a great big hole in the floor with the level carrying on the other side.
Oh, it's not that bad.
So that's where we're going across.
Oh, that looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like. It's looks simple.
Yep.
The last.
And behind me here is the level that the miners actually drove in initially, turned round the corner, followed that vein back outwards and hit the level coming from the surface. So it makes a big sort of V shape. And this goes to a collapse behind me.
How far down does it go?
About 150 foot.
Ah.
Yeah. It just gets wetter and wetter and then it's collapsed. We randomly chose a winner for the Lomo bag, which we were giving away free on the channel, and that person is Saxo, YouTube name, Stesaxo. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. You're the winner, so send us a message and here's your bag.
Well done. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Let's go exploring. There.